No, I don't know much about salmon. Oh, I like them. I like to eat them. My mom makes some mean salmon patties. But I do know that once every year or so, that they must swim upstream against currents, against predators, against forces greater than themselves to complete their circle of life, right? And I never have talked to a salmon sober. I might have talked to a can a few times in my debauchery. But I'm sure that if you was to talk to a salmon and ask him, hey, what's the worst thing that could happen to you? He wouldn't tell you getting eaten by the bear. He wouldn't say going all the way up the river, doing his thing, letting her lay the eggs, and him dying out. Oh, I'm almost positive that the salmon would say that the worst thing for him to have happened to him is to get caught in the pools and not have enough courage to make the jump upstream and clear into the next pool and the next pool. And there you are, Jason, addict, junkie, caught in the fucking pool, not going forward, not moving upstream, not completing the circle of your life, not afraid of nothing but your fucking self. It ain't the bears, oh my. It ain't the fucking death that's going to get you. It is not the circle of life that you will complete and push things onto the nature, onto God, into the universe. No, it is you and your fucking fear stuck in the pool that even the creation of God, the great salmon, says, I cannot have that. Not on my watch. I must go up the river. Hallelujah. Even if it means my death. And believe me and you and every Tom, Dick, and Harry swinging dick, blue-collar motherfucker in America is competing for one thing. And that is a quiet, peaceful death and fulfillment of our accomplishments and our faith. Get that. And if you're sitting there leaning on the syringe in your pool of self-pity, it ain't the fucking failures that's causing it. It's just because you're a pussy like I was and can't get off the mat, can't clear the pool, as all the other fish. Some of them not even afraid to tempt the mouth of a fucking grizzly bear, but you won't jump the pool. Get this on this Monday morning. Transformation always gets worse before it gets better. It's just the way it is. Because it's not for fucking everybody. God bless you. Fluid English.